Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Stefan, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash the like button if you find any kind of value. Make sure to subscribe to because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any. And I just keep it as simple, short, to make it as friendly as possible as always. So as you can see right here, we have XTZ. XTZ, I don't know how you're pronouncing that, but that's just the ticker point, or TEZOS, right here into the building with the Tether token. Basically, TEZOS right now is sitting at price of right around just nearly to 3.60. We are on that road today. We are actually down 0.61%. This can easily turn into a bullish candle, which I believe will, because yesterday the bulls were into the market, as you can see on the lower time frames. You can see how up we were. So yeah, even though even on the daily chart, you can see the bears were not here to make the high wick, so the buyers closed above. And today I think that we can expect actually the same thing, closing somewhere around 3.80, not 380, but 370 maybe, 375. We will see. Okay, and my prediction is not actually to go straight to the upside. It may take a while, not a while, but like 1 to 2 weeks. But yeah, guys, this is basically for today's video. Let me know what are your thoughts about it, and I will be seeing you guys soon. And just if you want to support my channel, make sure to smash that like button. It helps me out a lot, and I'm not a financial advisor. I just forgot to say that. This is my own opinion, and I don't want my opinion to be taken as granted, because I may be wrong, I may not. But right now, I think that Tezos is a great time. It's a great buy coin, and it's a great time to buy right now Tezos. So yeah, peace out, guys, and I love you. See you in the next video.